Hi, it's your girl Hunchovb VB back with another video. Well, today is Tuesday, and instead of cooking something, hey, this is gonna be Gadget Tuesday. Alrighty then. I just got a new gadget. It's the mandolin that was on QVC, made by ZAKARIAN. Anyway, let us learn how to use this thing together. Okay, I want to slice up some veggies for my salad, so let's see how to use it. Okay, I have, I only have an onion, a radish, and mushroom to try this with. So let's see. It said to pull the legs out until they click. Okay, until they click. Okay, so it has clicked. Okay, now we got it. Okay, so this is the chute, and it said to put it in the bottom first, so I got it in the bottom thing. And then, let's see, I don't think you all can see this. Okay, so this is the chute. Put it in the bottom. This part goes in first, and then you take this and lift it up and snap it into place. Okay. Now to bring this part up. Uh-oh. Oh, I guess I should have brought that up first. Hold on. There. Oh, okay, guys. So you turn this. You turn this to bring the handle up. Okay, let me put this back here. Now we have it. Okay. Then I'm going to turn this around to the side. Alright, then there's a tray that you just slide in. See? Alright, so bring it back to the front. And this is the pusher to push the food down. Okay, so we finally got this thing assembled. Alright, I'm just going to take this off to show you. So, you put your food in through here, and then you push down. You see that? Okay. So, I'll bring this back, put it back in. It's in there. And if you look in the back of this mandolin, you'll see that you have, this is the adjuster for the thickness, and I think these knobs switch out the blades. If you just have it in one position, you have fries, and if you open up both of them, then you have the slicer or something. Anyway, so let's try this thing out. I'm going to put in a radish. Okay. Hey! Okay, guys, look. Look, got my radish. That was fast. Wow, look. Okay. Alright, I'm pleased with that. That'll work for me. Alright, that was setting. What was the setting? Let's see. The setting for that is like a 4. It's a 4. And this is a 5. Okay, and it goes up to 8. Okay. I'll keep it at that. Now let's put in an onion. Okay. Hey guys, you know, I like this. Look. Here again. That was fast. Okay. Got the mushroom. Okay, so if it's too big, cut it. I cut my mushroom in half. I'm putting it in. Here we go. Wow. Look at there. That's fast. Okay. I like this. Okay, Mr. Zakarian, I think you got a winner here. At least with me. Okay. Don't have to push hard, it just goes on in. Alrighty. Uh-oh, what happened? Okay. Alright. So I got everything that I want in my salad for now. This is a winner for me, guys. Hey. So that was slicing. I think you can dice too. Okay, I haven't figured out how to dice, but you just switch out in the back. I don't have anything that I want to dice right now, so I'm just going to go with the slicing. I know if the slicing works well, then the dicing should work the same. So to clean it, you would come back and open it up, get all your stuff out, and clean it this way. Okay, so on the mandolin, if you want to change from slicing, okay, you see those blades up in there? You can switch out the blades by going in the back and turning these things around. Okay. See? Alright, so see they're gone now, and it's just a slicer. Okay, so that's how you do the fries and the other dicing. Okay, guys, I think this is it. And of course I have a little brush here for cleaning. So you just rinse it and wash it, dry it off, and fold it back up and push the handle down, and you're ready to store it. Okay guys, I'm going to call this a wrap. I like it. Okay, I really like this. Look at that. Look, everything looks so even. I like that. And it went fast. Looks like it's easy cleanup as well. Okay guys, here we go. I have folded the clean this up, folded it, so this has a very small footprint, and at no time can you cut yourself. And so I'm just going to store this in the drawer, you know, lays flat, and then I have this piece. Okay, that's a wrap for me. I really like this mandolin. And there's my salad from the veggies that I sliced up. I didn't put the tomatoes in here, but nor did I put in the avocado in here, but I sliced up everything else. And I'm having beef short ribs. I'll have to come back and show you all this particular concoction of mine. Anyway, but the focus is on Gadget Tuesday. All right, so that's a wrap. That's a big thumbs up. If you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, Hunchovb BB is out. Peace. Have a good rest of your day. What? On purpose. Love you guys. See you real soon.